Hi, I'm Jack, the Cornish fishmonger, and welcome to the Cornish Fishmonger's Kitchen. Now I would love to introduce you to our scallops. Now we source all of our scallops here in the southwest, direct from suppliers that we've worked with for many years, so we've got a really consistent, beautiful scallop that we can supply. They are a bivalve, they live on the sea floor. You've got the cup-shaped part of the shell and you've got the flat part. Here they are, still in the half shell. Absolutely beautiful, fantastic for oven baking, perfect for that. Put some garlic butter in there, maybe some breadcrumbs. The shell works really well because it holds all of those juices. It's absolutely delicious. Or our experts can take the meat completely out of the shell and you've got them right here, still with the roe attached. Two parts of the meat, you've got the main meat, which is absolutely succulent and delicious, and you've got the roe attached. That should be a nice bright orange. If you are going to pan fry them, I would start at 12 o'clock and work your way around the pan so you know exactly which one you went in first, because they are really easy to overcook. Bit of butter, some herbs, baste them, absolutely delicious. If you want some inspiration, do just pop onto our website for some recipe ideas, or just pick up the phone and give us a call. We're happy to help.